What we got in the box, man? Right down the middle. Ooh.
Gorgeous. Hold on, we set them box.
God dang.
Yeah.
That mouth bigger, boy. You
Yeah.
can't compare that.
Yeah.
That's why he bought it.
She look good though. Damn.
Get out the shadow, nigga.
That's what it feel like to be. It's what it feel like to be goddamn fast.
Hey, man. I was just like this when I was in my box. I was just like this. That's why I was like, yeah. Have your moment, brother. Have your moment.
Yeah, nigga, you know how pricey these bitches is?
Nigga,
You know how long I've been trying to get this hoe?
box.
It took me a year to get this hoe.
A year?
Yeah.
Hard work, determination, patience. You know, you just gotta stay down
You
for
know,
the come on.
so y'all stay tuned. April 2nd. More to come.
Y'all heard it, man. Stay tuned. Mr. Goddamn Jet Boys. It's a beautiful day out here, though, man. Got the Jet Boys out here. This is my boy Mike car, man. Going on 3. I'm next, man, eventually, man. My car stopped down. She stopped tearing up, man. I'm gonna goddamn move on up in this world, but till then, man. Yeah, so there you have it.
So tell all your little Camaro friends, you know, it's whatever. You know, you see that bitch right there, ain't even gonna hide it. You can show them if you want to, you know. Ain't even gonna hide it.
Hey, y'all hear the man?
We can run it.
Hey, whoever
Run
want,
that bitch.
hey, whoever wants smoke out here. White jet, black jet.
That's right on up in there.
No cap, no cap. That shit look good though. Hey, so where the rest of your shit is at the crib or they ain't came yet? Alright. Nah. Y'all trying to go?
Come on with this dumb shit. Fucking stupid ass
Yeah, man. That shit cool, man. You gotta turn it off.
There we go.
I thought you were gonna post the other one. We gonna post both of them?
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna go crazy. That's gonna go crazy.
We gonna see what impact it gonna do.
Hey. Y'all hear him, man.
That bitch ain't sitting on the top for no reason. You gonna have to
Y'all motivating me though, I ain't gonna lie. That shit look good.
Man, that fucking man, my shit gonna look just like that. See, I just paid for. See, my shit got the VMP just written up here. That bitch, that's wet though.
That's what he paid for, that engraving. He paid for that VMP.
Everybody on the tire. Yeah, get Searcy wood, man. Going to pick up some food.
Down at least about 450. I'm hoping.
450?
450 to 460. I'm hoping.
How much you making now? 440? About 440?
Yeah.
I say about 460.
Yeah, I'm hoping that's my goal.
About 458, 460.
Yeah, that's my goal.
Yeah. You need for something to see. Let me see a dig, man. Let me see a dig.
Hey, go to lunch then.
Let's see what they do, man.
Real quick. You always drive. Drive right here.
Let me see some. Let me see some. Uh-oh.
And on that bag.
Yeah, that shit clean as fuck, bro.
It is, man.
You're right.
I might just like my car go up. I jump on my bike. I don't did it before. I jump on my bike. I swear to God, I put what I need in my backpack or whatever. Then I put a whole tool.
Part the other day?
You had oil in it?
There's no oil right
Oh,
here.
it ain't.
There's oil in the throttle body?
This section right there.
See, Camaro got a tight ass fit, bro.
Yeah, man.
Everything tight. This big ass engine.
Definitely, man. I fuck with it though.
Like I said, my pay was like, I'm just trying to get them stuff out. I ain't ready. This is my fourth race.
That bitch clean. That bitch is clean.
Okay.
But you just.
That's crazy.
67 millimeter with the P-Max. It's all in the crib.
Go to the P-Max.
I had to, but I had to. It's only right, bro. It's only right.
I'm next, bro. Okay.
You next, bro? Ooh.
Enjoying the Jet family too?
The Jet Boys? Is that what I'm hearing?
You know what's crazy, man? I'm talking about that shit the first time we raced, bro.
I guess so. You know, I'm waiting. You
Hey.
I need some Jet family.
Okay. Ooh, y'all boys.
Next week, actually.
That boy ride around there with it in the trunk, boy. Hey. It's clear down there. It's clear down there. Okay. So clean, boy. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna try to see what I can get. Record. One, two, three. You ready? One, two, three.
Who can fuck me like a pro?